Just had my phone fixed from Fenn's phone repair shop in the Mankato, Minnesota, River Hills Mall, 56001. These guys, they know what they're doing. If you want to watch them operate on your phone, they'll let you do it. And I said, thanks, but I trust you guys just by how you guys present yourself and how nice you guys are. And anyway, nothing but good reviews about these guys, so I figured go all out and I'm gonna do a small tutorial here and put screensaver on it. Fenn's phone repair, Mankato, Minnesota, River Hills Mall.
River Hills Mall.
That's about as perfect as you can get. Okay, now you gotta have a squeegee or a hard card. Got my Mystic Lake casino card here. That should suffice. Ooh, that's almost perfect put. Only 2 little bubbles. And I mean tiny. Ooh, that's perfect put. Alright, Gap Magic signing off. Believe it or not, this is like my 7th time trying to make this video. 6th or 7th. Or 8th even. Signing off. Gap Magic reporting. Just had my phone fixed from...
Yes, I filmed this from this phone onto my phone. Hey, did you see how that glitched? Anyway, these guys, quality control there. You can literally watch them make or operate on your phone. And check this out. Signing off.